travel around and surf big waves and do what we do is so special in itself. And then when all the elements come together and you get a spot like Nelscott, which most of us had never been to, just go off and have the surf pumping all day, the sun out, light offshore winds, and just a bunch of great guys together having a blast. You couldn't ask for much more on a big wave surf day. I'm really excited about being part of it. I feel blessed. I think it's it's my dream come true to travel around and surf the biggest waves in the world, and to do it with the same group of guys. It's just incredible. For all the people, all the other guys out there that surf these big waves and want to get in these events, I know it's difficult, but I think Gary said it best. If you do want to surf in these events, you just got to show up to the place on the day and make a name for yourself.